Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you that how you can make image hover effect by just using simple HTML and CSS. So if you really want to learn HTML and CSS, then you must have to subscribe my channel. So okay guys, let's get started. So this is my HTML file. First of all, starting with the HTML, and this is my CSS file. First of all are universal tags, padding 0 and margin 0, and box sizing is border box. So now let me just link this CSS file in our HTML file. To create this image hover effect, first of all I am starting with the container, and inside this container I am taking one image tag, our image, and now we are going to design this in our CSS. First of all, starting with the class of container, the position will be absolute and the top is 50% and the left is also 50%, and the transform is translate -50% and -50%. These four properties are used to center all the content inside the body. Height is 400 pixel and the width is also 400 pixel, and the overflow is hidden. And whenever we cursor on that image, it's create the pointer effect, so the cursor will be pointer, and the border is 1 pixel solid. Now we are going to add some properties to the image inside the container. First of all, the width is 100% and the height is also 100%, and the transition is all 0.7 second. And now if you see the output, so here is our output. You can see this output. This is our image, and now we are going to add some hover effect on this image. Now first of all, the container image hover effect, and whenever we hover on this image, the transform is scale 1.6, rotate 20 degree, and the transition in which it's performed the hover effect is all 0.7 second. You must have to add this transition property for the smooth effect. So here is our output. You can see this smooth hover effect on this image. Whenever we are hovering on this image, it's rotate 20 degree and zoom. Now let me just add some background color for this body for the perfect output. And now if you see the output, so there is our output. You can see the smooth hover effect on this image. Thanks for watching, and please must subscribe to our channel.